Hello, subscribers. I hope everyone is well. Yeah, hello, viewers. If it's your first time and you're viewing to this channel, please don't forget to hit that subscribe button and not to miss out on any content. You're almost welcome to this channel. This is IT Smart. I always give a few tips on tutorials. Like I always give tutorials on how to enhance your computer skills. So let's just dive right into the issue today. We're going to look at Google Contacts. I guess most of you have also interacted with Google Contacts before. Sometimes when you're saving Google Contacts, how sometimes it automatically comes once you have an email in your phone, and you have to, let me say you're saving someone's number. There are always options of save to phone. Either you save to the phone, or you save to your SIM card, or you save to Google itself. So if you save to Gmail, sorry, not Google, I'm sorry. If you save to Gmail, you are able, your contacts are always backed up. Whether you log in, like let me say you log into your PC, you can still find your contacts there. Let me say some people always lose their phones. If you lose your phone, your line and everything. With Gmail, it easily backs up contacts through Google Contacts. So let's just dive into it. I'm going to use my Google Chrome. Yeah, Google Contacts are really interesting to use. Really are. Really. See, let me just log into my account. Yeah, I think we've all seen these, how to just enter logging into your account. I guess everyone has interacted with this. So if we were to go to Gmail itself, um there is this thing of, let me say you want to send a message to someone and you have to type their email in. This business of typing, or you're looking for someone, you're typing in that email, it takes a lot of time. So with Google Contacts, it's very, very, very simple to use mailing lists. Yeah. So let's see how the mailing lists work. But first of all, let's dive into the Google Contacts itself. You can come this end, you open the Google Contacts. Yeah, as you can see, exactly. So these are all my contacts that are saved on Gmail. As you can see, all these are contacts that are saved on Gmail. So if in case it happens that I lose my phone or something, I can easily get my contacts because they are backed up on Gmail. So yeah, these are Google Contacts. Actually, this is what we are all looking at. So if we are to, let me say, create a contact, we can create contacts. So you either create a contact or you create multiple contacts. But if you create a contact, it's for what? But multiple contacts, it's like mailing lists where you can send, let me say, an email to a big group of people. You know. So and if you're sending an email to a big group of people, you have to have labels. These labels here, right here, labels really help a lot. So to create a contact, just a Google contact. It's just a simple thing. Let me say first name. Let me get. I always love Zoe. I don't know why I'm using Zoe. Anyway, let me say Zoe Nature. You see, you can type the company, you can type the job. Then here you can type an email, like, because you're saving it directly from Google. Yeah, so if you're saving it directly from Google, this is what you do if you're creating a contact. If it's not saving them on the normal way, you can come directly to your Google account and you save some contacts just directly from here. You can type the email here, the label. We've not yet seen the labels though. You see, as we scroll through, you can see the phone number, the month, the date, all this. You can't even ask for Shomo. You see when Shomo shows you many things and everything. So after that, you save. Yeah, and that contact will be saved to Google Contact. So let's have a brief look at saving with multiple contacts, I guess. So not labels. So saving with multiple contacts, I guess it just needs we need to create labels. Yeah, we can get a new label. Let me say brand. Um. So if we've saved to brand, let's have a brief look at the contacts over here. So you see how this box here, this is showing brand. So if we're to tick, one is selected to brand, another is selected to brand, and so it's just a matter of put like sorry, this is not supposed to be here. Contacts. So saving to brand, you can just tick, you can just tick, you can just tick. So I was like, if you're saving to brand, you can just click on any name and you press plus. Then you tick the brand and you apply. You have to make sure you apply. So this shows that this contact is saved to brand. You can get other contacts. Let me say Lavi. You label, it's a label, brand, apply. You just keep applying. So yeah, that's all about brand. So if you're to view these labels, you can tap this brand here itself. Now you can see these contacts are saved to brand. But then you can also remove, like manage. You can create another label from here and add this contact to a new label. Let me say case. So that's our new label. You can save this. So meaning this contact has two labels, both brand and case. So yeah, if we're to come and file, if we're to look at case, we're going to see it's only one contact in case, right? Yeah, so that's all about labels. So if you're to merge, you can merge these brands, merging duplicates. You can merge files even in Google Contacts. You can merge files. Yeah, so if you're trying to, let me say, you want to send an email to you want to send an email to a big group, a large group of number. I mean a large group of people. You can actually, since we have done this, you can merge all. You can merge and not so two contacts have been merged. You can even view from here. Yeah, you can add a label. When you merge files, it's just simple. So you see, yeah, you can even add a picture on a contact. Yeah, you can apply a picture, a profile pic. Yeah, you can say done. It prepares and all that. Yeah, so yeah, it says apply. So there are different features on Google Contacts that you can enjoy, that you can browse through and everything. So yeah, I had to show you. Let me see, merge and fix and all this. So let's have a brief look at Gmail back. If we look at Gmail, I want to compose here to case. Is it case? So or brand. I don't know what to mean. Anyways. So yeah, we have looked at these Google contacts. You've seen how to interact with these. Yeah, I guess that's it for today. I've not managed to explain everything, but as usual, do not forget to subscribe, like, and share because these lessons are really helpful. So in order so that at the end of it all, we shall all come out as tech expertise. So in case of anything, just hit that comment section and I'll be able to guide you through more and more. All right. Thank you so much for your audience. Till next time. Ciao.